Is your Xiaomi Mijia G1 robot vacuum not turning on and says, "Clean the cliff sensor"? Is this robot vacuum problems making you confused and you are looking for a solution to this problem? No worries. See how we assisted our customers in repairing their robot vacuums. The customer told us that the Xiaomi Mijia G1 robot vacuum shows a problem with one of its sensors, but is unsure which one, and the robot does turn on, but then stops. Afterward, we tried to run the robot vacuum, and it said to clean the cliff sensor, and so we started to investigate further and found that the cliff sensor on the robot vacuum was faulty. This is what is causing the robot vacuum to stop working and keep giving errors every time it's used. So we recommended cliff sensor replacement. But hold on, there's more. Due to the age of the robot vacuum, we recommended that the robot vacuum be given a deep cleaning service in order to get its performance back. After we have received approval from the customer, we will begin the repair or service work. To ensure the robot is problem-free after the service, we do unit testing. And now, the robot vacuum is back with a vengeance, better than ever. If you've got a robot vacuum problem, let us be your solution.